Okay, here it is in all its glory. It's got rust out. Body seems way solid though. But it's got rust out. That says McKelvey Laundry and Dry Cleaning. Now all the wheels are locked up. It slides, doesn't roll. These sidewalls are like double thick. It's got some kind of material. Here's all the parts. Everything's pretty straight. You can see where he started restoring and painting some of this, some of the hood. There's the rest of the hood. Bumper brackets. Boxes of parts. Trim. More sheet metal. It's got both bumpers. We noticed it's missing the starter too, and the head. More rust out. Oh, this door doesn't fit right. I don't know what happened. It needs to be pushed. I guess the cowl needs pushing back and up. It's got rust out along this top. Feels solid, but it's just still got to be patched. You sit better, McKelvey. Those doors are excellent. You'd never find doors like that. He had one finished, all painted up. Here's this. That hinge there goes up here. It's got all the hinges. This is that double panel. This is the seats that were in it. They're no good, but they go with it. So you can see the rust out here. It's got some holes in the top. Even though it's solid and straight. What else, Billy?
Both bumpers.
Yeah. Okay, just read the description real good. Appreciate it.